Hello everyone and welcome to Bantu Heritage. My name is Matema Dombo, the man behind Bantu Heritage. Welcome from Morocco, the rural Morocco up in the Atlas Mountains. I hope I find you all well. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed. Like the channel, share, and let's grow this channel together. I'm coming to you today showing you the uncut and the unedited Morocco. As I've said in other previous episodes, we are used to the hustle and bustle of cities, whereby you go into the city, you go to your holiday resort area, you go to the swimming pool, some go to the bar, you go there, put your legs in the water, enjoy the holiday resort, go for some spa, go for some swimming, and then holiday is done. Yes, that's good. But if you want to explore and experience places and see countries in the reality, go out of those places and explore on your own. So today we are in rural Morocco, high up in the Atlas Mountains. Today we are in a place or in an area which is composed of about 9 villages. The tour guide told us it's about 9 villages. These tour guides are local people. They are born here, so they know this area like the back of their hands. So they are the ones who always guide people, lead people, help you explore. They'll be explaining places of interest because they are from this area. So it is an advantage. So today we are exploring rural Morocco. So this is typical uncut rural Morocco. I don't like really to show a lot of edited stuff, and I just want to show things as they are, so that I bring reality, what I can call, if there's an English word called actuality. I want to bring you things as they are, not that thing which has been sugar coated, spiced up. No, so sometimes people do that and then make stuff out of it. But the content I make, I always want to make it as raw as possible. So that's what I think will make things interesting, because you bring people to reality. You don't bring the artificial stuff, but you bring the real content. Today I'm bringing you rural Morocco. This is where we are in the mountains, and that's a village, as you can see. That's a Moroccan settlement, one of the villages, one of the 9 villages. So this is where people live. So during this time of the year, it is very hot, and they are saying from July to September it's quite hot and it's busy. People coming up here, and also people sometimes they leave their other places to come over here, leaving the cities to come and chill in the mountains because it's cooler up there. So that's why in other episodes, if you saw that people are in makeshift shelters up in the mountain, by the waterfall, along the valley, just chilling out, enjoying the coolness or the cool breeze or the cool temperatures high up. Well, I think we are now 1,900 meters above sea level, because we are going down now. We are descending from the 2,000 meters above sea level point where we had our tea, and where I was showing you in an episode where I showed you the carpets. That's the place which is the peak, one of the villages which is at the peak of the area, of this area, where they are 2,000 meters above sea level. So we are now descending. So I think we should be around 1,900 meters, 1,800 meters above sea level where we are. But it's quite cooler, although it is in the middle of the day, but the heat is quite bearable, unlike the heat from Marrakech, which is really a scorcher. But because we are up in the mountains, it's a bit cooler. You can see the valleys below there. That's Moroccan villages. You can go up the valley all the way to the waterfalls. I've shown you not one episode of this hiking because I believe not all places are the same. So the scenery is always different. So it's good to try by all means to give people a variety so that some people can enjoy this one because they want rocks or they like rocks or they like whatever they like. And on the other episodes, it's obviously different because each episode is different and unique and it's also shot from a different area. So yeah, that's a Moroccan village down there. So that's raw Morocco for you. Let's walk together and let's enjoy Mother Nature. They have carved this road from this mountainside, and now cars can drive along, people can walk along. The other side, when we went up, oh, it was all by foot. You can see from a distance there some terracing done on the side of the mountain and some apple trees being grown. Beautiful. Village life in Morocco. Welcome to rural Morocco and let's explore together. The good thing up here is as sunny as it is, but if you go under a shade, you can feel the coolness. So this is the terracing done. These are apple trees, maybe some pears as well. As much as it is in the mountains, people here make or ache their living out of these mountains. So if you are a mountain person, you have to know that this is my place. I have to make a life out of it. So yes, they have got comfortable life here because they are playing with Mother Nature. Walnut trees, very big, very tall. And they harvest these walnuts and they make biscuits from walnuts and many other things. See how they play with stones. It's just handmade. All this handmade, these walls, all from stone. Stones at work. Typical rural villages in Morocco. We continue our descent into the villages below where we started, and we say goodbye to those villages perched up there. Imagine every day people living in those houses, waking up, having that view of the valley every day. Imagine in the afternoon, hiding from the sun, relaxing, and having that view every day. I don't think you can exchange that for anything. So we are saying goodbye to those villages up there as we go down. Yes, this is another valley. This is rural Morocco, guys. I hope you are enjoying. We are going all the way down through that bridge, so I'll just follow the track. Oh, these are tourist buses, tourists thronging this area, coming to see the real Morocco. We continue our descent. And we are crossing the river here. It flows from above there, from up there in the mountains. It's a bit dry here. The riverbed is dry, but it's a bit wet when you go down there. Exploring Morocco on foot. This is what village people live with every day. These are their paths, or these are their roads which they use. As you can see on this road, you can't even use a bicycle, a motorbike, a car, but you have to walk and explore Mother Nature. I'm not sure whether I'm with the other group or I'm getting lost. I am on track. The group is ahead. This is another water canal which is used to bring water down. Nice garden there. Apple trees blooming quite well. Some of these trees already bearing fruit. We are in the village. You can see the houses. Very unique colors here. For the first time seeing a different color, because most of the color is like red, sand-like color. There's a direction. That's the valley. Then that's the canal, which takes water from up there, going down. So we're going along one of the village streets in Morocco. This is where people who come here or who live here or descendants of this place, this is where they live every day. And the tour guides are telling us, oh, now this is where I come. The driver who brought us here comes from this area. The guy who is our tour guide taking us along is also from this area. So this is their area. This is where they come from. This is where they are born. This is where they do their everyday living. How interesting is that? I hope you are enjoying the tour as you hike with me, seeing the scenery, seeing the villages, seeing the terrain. This is typical Morocco at its best. The Moroccan heritage, undiluted, unedited, uncut. This is what I'm bringing to you on Bantu Heritage. See the walls, all the same. This tree here is growing, walnut tree. Should be very old. All these stones terracing the land, making sure that they make path or walkways around the villages. That's typical Moroccan village houses. The basement there. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please see how blooming this garden is. High up in the mountains, but the garden is blooming. Apple trees already bearing fruit for the season. I hope you are liking the videos. I hope you've liked this one. Please subscribe to the channel, share, and let's grow this channel together. And I always thank you guys for watching. I always try to make my videos about 20 minutes maximum, so that they don't get that very much long. And I try to bring them out unedited. That's what I believe, because I believe whatever content I take, it has to be real. It doesn't need to be cut, and things like that. So I hope you understand me there. And if you want me to show you some more content, and what type of content you want me to show you, let me know on the comments, in the comment section. And also share. And these are Moroccan houses, village houses. People living in those terraces, all carved from the side of the mountains. How beautiful. Some water there. Some houses in the valley there. So this is a typical Moroccan village we are walking through. And we can see the tip from here, from another angle, the highest tip. They say it's the second highest tip in Africa, according to the tour guide. I'll make my own research to establish that, but I don't think he was lying. But this is part of the Atlas Mountains. And these are the Moroccan villages. The good thing is there's electricity and there's running water. They just use the water from the valley, from up the mountains, and harness that water and bring it straight. One of the typical locks here. This is Moroccan heritage, guys, at its best. I hope you are enjoying the Moroccan heritage. Moroccan village houses. This is uncut Morocco. The man there is making his way. He's a villager, but they are used to this place. So to them it's normal. Some people might think, oh, how do people live in such a terrain? How do people live in such a place? But there are people living here comfortably, and they call this place home. Trying to catch up with the other group. Not sure which way they used. This is into the village. I think it's the other way. I was a bit lost. I'm catching up in the village streets. So they got me and they gave me a signal. So yeah, I hope guys you are enjoying this. We are now going into one of the households. There we are. Thank you very much for watching. And I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, share, and let's grow this channel together. I will end up this video here. Thank you very much.